A supplemental affidavit. I, Roberto R. Bernardo, Filipino, of legal age, a resident of Malolos City, Bulacan, under oath, depose and state. During the proceedings before the Department of Justice and National Bureau of Investigation Case Build-Up Task Force, in connection with the ongoing Senate Blue Ribbon Committee investigations regarding irregularities in certain flood control projects, I was asked to clarify certain matters set forth in my affidavit dated September 25, 2025, which I earlier subscribed and sworn to before the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Upon their clarification, I hereby confirm my willingness to satisfy and/or secure the satisfaction of all civil obligations that I may be liable for under the premises. On paragraph 17 of my aforesaid affidavit, I mentioned that Maynard Ngu and I are close friends and that he was also a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Chis Escudero. To add, while I was attending the confirmation hearing of Secretary Bunoan sometime in August 2022, I was summoned by Senator Chis to his room. When I got there, he told me, hindi na ako bababa sa CA. Marami pa akong kulang na streetlight sa Sorsogon. Ano ba magagawa nyo para sa akin?